Hello everyone, in this video we will see an exercise on QlikView. The objective of this exercise is how to create a bar chart in QlikView. So first of all, this is the start screen, or you can say this is the start page of QlikView software. So we have to just click on new document first, click on new document. Then these are the steps which we have to follow: data source connection, data presentation, save file, choose chart type, populate chart, and selections. So we have to give the path first. It will ask us to select the file. So I have chosen the path previously. So I'll select file named as Office City Sales. Click on open. This is basically an Excel data, and click on the next step. The data is being inserted. Use column headers for the data file or add column headers. So I'll go with the first. I want the column headers. Click on the next step. Then we have to save the file. So I'll just save it by a name as Klik X Klik underscore one. I'll simply select it as Klik. Four. So the file has been saved. So the name of the file, you can find it over here as Klik4. Path is also been provided. Then click on the next step. Now it will ask us to choose a chart type. So I'll go with this bar chart. Click on next step. Now select the dimension. So I'll select the dimension as. So if we want the territory wise thing, or if we want this state wise thing, let us say territory wise, calculated the sum of. Now whatever will be the expression in this particular expression, the numbers or the numerical data will be available in the expression tab. So office sales and state code. So this state code is basically having numbers. So 210, 222, likewise, and office sales will be having also the numbers. So I'll select office sales. Click on next step. So if you want to display this in the form of list boxes, you can click on this list boxes. So it will display like this. And if you want to display it with the table, so you can view it with the table box. Just simply click on create. So here you can find out that the sum of office sales is being taken on the y-axis, and on the x-axis you can find out territory. So these are the territory: east, west, north, south, and this is the table which you can find out. So if you want to see this particular table, so this is the particular table which you can see. So that's all for this video. I hope you have understood how to create a bar chart in